Are you having problems that your camera is not working on your Google Meet and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually I used to have the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So basically what we need to do right here is to look for this camera symbol. So if it's not working, it's most likely going to show red here with this exclamation mark right here. So just click on it and then click on use camera right here. And then you can actually allow while visiting the site or allow just this time, but I'm just going to click right here. And as you can see, it looks kind of weird because there's two cameras, like one little one and one big one here, but yeah, you can see it works now. And if it's not working for you, you can click right here on the three dots, and then you're going to click on settings right here. And you can now see that you're taken to this page right here. So now what you're going to do is to click on privacy and security, then click on site settings here, as you can see. And then what you need to do is that you're going to click on camera. So you can actually click right here where it says sites can ask you to use camera, or if you have this one, then you will not be able to use camera anywhere, basically, if that makes sense. But basically this is exactly how to fix it.